Next, another pair of shoplifters, and their chase was just as chaotic.
Get on the fucking ground!
On September 25th, 2022, police received a call from Walmart reporting a theft in progress by a male suspect. According to surveillance footage, one man had stuffed a canvas bag full of merchandise while another acted as a lookout. Meanwhile, officers waited outside, quietly watching every second of the pair's checkout routine as the trap closed in on them.
Let me know if he blows past. Is everyone with him or just him? Blue bag's still in, and it looks like it has stuff in it. Oh, he's got more than one blue bag? Okay. Okay. Which one? All right.
The moment these men stepped through the exit, officers moved in to block their path. But what they did next was something the police never saw coming.
How's it going? We can go in here and talk. We're gonna walk in there. Stop. Do it. It is today, 10:18. Stop fighting. You're gonna get tased. Lay down. Lay down. Stay down. Watch.
The remaining suspect lingered nearby, watching everything unfold, while his partner erupted into violent resistance, even bolting for the doors in a desperate attempt to escape.
Get on the fucking ground! Put your ass behind your back! No. Hurry up! Let me talk to you. Get the on the ground. This guy out there. You're making me do. You. Listen. 977. Mainly on the west side of Walmart. Hey, look, let me tell you something. Put your ass behind your back. I'm supporting us. Hey, please. Which way to go? Yep. He's on the go. You want to listen to me. Put your hand behind your back. Hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
That chase had caused a lot of difficulty for the officers, while the remaining suspect believed he was innocent because he had paid for his own items, even ignoring the police's commands.
Man, you said you were walking your friends. Take off.
I know, I'm calling my girlfriend to get
Take off. You've been following back and forth with this guy. Go. I know you're with him. Leave.
Okay, I pay for my I got money in my pocket.
Leave.
All right.
You can walk around and away.
Touch me too. Fuck wrong with you, ho? I'm calling my girlfriend to get a car key.
He was with him. That's why. Yeah. It was just a scuffle inside.
Yeah.
You need to walk away from me, man. You need to go.
I'm waiting for my girlfriend, man.
You staying right with me everywhere I go.
Oh, I'm going this way, motherfucker. Get my girlfriend for the car keys. What's wrong with you, man?
You want him in the store? You want him in the store?
No, it's trespassing.
Just come outside because
put your
we're gonna
hands
make a bit. Why?
Because we're done with you.
Hey, look, I'm calling my girlfriend. Hey, look, I'll resist, man. Look.
Ground.
Rosario, they got me right here. They're handcuffing me too.
Stop.
Get on the ground. They're right here. Just come, Rosario. I'm gonna grab his car keys.
I'm running outside.
Okay, we're running outside because they're handcuffing me for no reason because I went to go get you.
Okay.
Oh my God. What is that I'm doing?
And you decided that you didn't
Look,
want
there she is, man.
Their act of stealing and covering for each other had sparked the entire incident, and the attempted escape had dragged both the officers and the suspects into a situation none of them wanted.
Sir, is there anything that hurts on you? Anything you know is injured, bleeding? Your elbow, your head? Anything hurt on you? Anything torn, broken that you know of?
No.
No.
That's all right. No, well.
What's that?
Chill the fuck out.
Well, then sit up. Sit up.
Fucking hold on, my hands up. Fucking piece of shit.
Sit down. You want to act like a kid? That's cool. I'll treat you
You're
like
acting
a
like
kid.
a fucking bitch, fool.
Put your feet in.
Hold on, blow my hands. You idiot.
This is them walking out together at the same time. Right here.
Okay, because if it's felony, we can hit him with conspiracy to commit as well.
Then yes, because he was for sure on the lookout.
Okay. All right, yeah. Just make sure we include him in all the video footage, and I'll talk with the sergeant, and we'll see what we can do.
He's got 5 pills,
Oh yeah, Metro's good.
rocks, and several bits of powder. We're waiting to get the final amount, see if it's felony or not also.
I'll do links and try to
Okay. 75207 was the total before taxes.
How much before taxes?
75207, still felony. There we go, finally catching my breath.
He was charged with shoplifting, conspiracy to commit shoplifting, resisting or obstructing an officer, trafficking in controlled substances, and possession of controlled substances. Deliberately stealing and covering for an accomplice only leads to legal trouble. Cooperating with police from the start could have prevented the situation from spiraling out of control.